welcome to my kitchen. So I'm going to teach you how to use this chaff from soya bean when you make your soya milk or your tofu. So what we are going to do with this, we are going to turn it into mix. Okay, and so I have the chaff here. I got it from my soya milk. I have the link in the description box, you can watch. I have some parsley leaves here, dry parsley leaves. I have some all-purpose seasoning. I have black and white pepper, and I have some chili powder also here. And so this one is rough. This is the rough type of it. This one is rough, and this one it's smooth. It's a bit smooth, but this one is smoother, very, very smooth. So I'm going to make this one separate and make these ones also separate. Okay, half a teaspoon according to your taste. I'm going to add my all-purpose seasoning to it. Half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of white pepper. I'm going to add some chili powder. You see, I'm going to add some to it. And I'm going to grate some garlic. Them together. So I'm going to tie them. I just cook and put it in this way and tie it. You don't need to tie them with just small so that it can cook fast for you. So something like this. In these ones. Okay, I'm going to mix these ones also. So I'll add my pepper to it, black pepper, just half a teaspoon, white pepper, my all-purpose seasoning, I'm going to add salt, adding the onions, I'm going to add this garlic, you can add ginger to it. The first one I forgot to add the dry parsley, so I'm adding it to these ones. Everything together. You know the noise, kakasing. Okay. Okay, so we are going to cook this. We are going to put it in a warm water, boiling water. I already have my water on fire. You can do it in your steamer, but this is what I'm doing. So I'm going to place them on it. So I'll cover and allow it to cook very well. Okay, so let's check on it. So I've cooked this for about 40 minutes. And now it's okay. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to remove the rubber from it and see the outcome. Okay guys, so this is it. Okay, so the three that I fried, one was the smooth type and one was the rough type. So the rough type, this is the end result, and the smooth type came out so well. And so this is it. So it means the rough ones you cannot fry them, but the smooth ones you can fry them. I'm going to divide it. Let's see. Everything molded together very well. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, like and share the video. Bye bye.
Semi-straight, the wine.